Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog today. So today is medical day here. We're all going to the doctors. Actually, we're taking the kids to the doctors to get their flu vaccine, because I don't know if it's a requirement everywhere, but in New York, all the children have to get a flu vaccine to be able to return to school, even if they're doing remote learning. So that's what we're going to do today, and I'm going to take you guys along with us. So let's go.
Maybe I can do it if I can get a running start. On my bar, get set, roll! What's going on right there? I'm not ready for this. It has a big TV on it. You made it! Yeah, thanks for unsticking me out of that place I was stuck in. And now we can check this next room and see if Hissy is stuck in there. What's this
Wave,
one
guys.
for? Napping. Playing doctors.
What are you guys doing?
Doctors.
You're playing doctors?
Uh-huh.
You guys just got your shots?
Yeah.
Let me see your arm.
Right here.
Guys, so we are back. My kids are making noise. There's so much glare here. I gotta get in this room, get my life together. It's the most. Don't mind. My bedroom is a mess right now. Can you guys even see me? Can y'all see me? Yeah, my bedroom is a mess. I need to get it together. I'm actually trying to get dressed. So there's that. Trying to get myself dressed up. The lighting is not so good here. guys see, like, show you guys. So the amount of sunlight, you guys don't see, it's dark. The amount of sunlight that I get in my bedroom is amazing. I love it. But it just comes out really washed out white when I film. So right now I'm gonna make up our bed because it is a hot mess.com. So let's go ahead and make up the bed. Oh, so I purchased furniture for our room. I mean, we have our furnitures and everything like that, but I bought the dresser, the two nightstand, and the two dressers basically. So that's coming from Raymore Flanagan, and I think we're supposed to get our delivery on what's today? Tuesday. So we're supposed to get it on Friday. Now this vlog, I want to have it posted up probably tomorrow, Wednesday. So yeah, so let's go ahead, and I hope my battery does not die on me, but let's go ahead and see how quickly I can make up this bed without this battery dying out, because that's the issue. Let's go ahead. That's it, guys. Bed is made. Perfect. At least good enough.